Hello kids, this is a new video of chapter 9 Independence Day, and in this video I will be explaining you the summary of this chapter. Now before starting up with the summary of this chapter, I want to explain you some important facts about our country. Children, do you know India is the 7th largest country in the world? Okay. India is the 7th largest country in the world, and the name India is derived from the river Indus. Okay, river Indus flows in the northern part of our country. The capital of India is New Delhi, and the biggest city in India is Mumbai. There are 28 states in India, and Indian rupee is the currency of India. India has islands, mountains, deserts and plains. These are called as the physical features of India. The very beautiful lotus is the national flower of India, and the very beautiful peacock is the national bird of India. Now you all know what peacock loves to do? Yes, peacock loves to dance during rainy season. Children, do you know a very important fact that the games like chess and snakes and ladder are invented in India only? Okay, they are first time invented in our country, India. Now children, let us come to know about the story. This is the story about two kids, Jayant and Indu. They were very excited. Now, what was the occasion? Why were they very excited? Yes, you got it right. It was the occasion of Independence Day. And the children were very excited because they get to go to the nearby playground on that day, and the flag hosting ceremony was to be held over there. So they were very excited. They got up and they dressed up nicely. They went to the playground nearby to their house, and they attended the flag hosting ceremony. And after that they sang the national anthem, they had sweets, and then they went to the rooftops to fly the kites. After that, when they come back to their home. Jayant asked his mother that what is Independence Day, why do we celebrate this day? Then Jayant's mother told him, elaborated him what all events were held in past, why do we celebrate Independence Day. So all these things, Jayant and Indu's mother, she explained to them, and this you will come to know in the explanation video of this chapter. Like India celebrates the Independence Day on 15th August, the same way other countries also celebrate their Independence Day. And in this chapter you will come to know that the tricolor Indian flag, that is tricolor flag, what the three colors resemble. Okay, and all these things you will come to know in the explanation video of this chapter. Till then, stay tuned and wait for the explanation video.